Pratap Chandra Sarangi is a BJP MP from the Balasore constituency in Odisha. On Thursday, he was injured after an incident involving Congress leader Rahul Gandhi during a protest near Makar Dwar outside the parliament. Gandhi allegedly pushed another MP, causing them to fall onto Sarangi, who was standing on the stairs. Sarangi sustained a head injury and was taken to the hospital for the treatment. Sarangi explained that he was near the stairs when the MP pushed by Rahul Gandhi fell on him. In response, Rahul Gandhi denied the accusations, stating that BJP MPs had been blocking and pushing him as he tried to enter the parliament. He also mentioned that similar incidents had happened with other leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge, but he did not let such jostling distract him, emphasizing that the real issue was the attack on the constitution and disrespect towards Ambedkar.